Understanding, make clear. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into a common English phrase, make clear. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it confidently in your conversations. Make clear is composed of two words, make and clear. On their own, they have distinct meanings. Make, to cause to happen or come into existence. Clear, easily understood, free from confusion or doubt. When combined, the phrase, make clear, suggests the action of making something easily understood or removing any confusion. Make clear is often used to emphasize the importance of clarity or to request a clearer explanation. Here are some examples. 1. I want to make clear that everyone needs to be present at tomorrow's meeting. 2. Can you make it clear why you chose this option over the others? 3. She didn't make herself clear, so I had to ask for clarification. Notice that sometimes we can add words like it or herself between make and clear to fit the context of the sentence. Some learners might confuse make clear with just clear, thinking they're always interchangeable. However, that's not the case. Let's understand this with examples. Correct. I hope I made myself clear. Incorrect. I hope I clear. While both sentences intend to convey clarity, the second one is grammatically incorrect. There are several ways to convey the idea of making something clear without using the phrase, make clear. Some synonyms include clarify, elucidate, explain, spell out. For instance, let me clarify my point is similar to saying, let me make my point clear. Understanding phrases like make clear can greatly enhance your English fluency. Always remember, it's all about ensuring clarity and eliminating confusion. We hope this video made clear the meaning and usage of the phrase. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.